Oh, absolutely delicious, guys. Let me show you how we did this. Look at that fat content. Yum! All right, guys, so we started off with this 45-day dry-aged Ramu RIB Eye from MADANG Butchers. Litzy, love your work, man. Keep doing what you're doing, man, and love what you're doing with the Ramu beef. Absolutely fantastic product. All right, guys, so I'm just getting this bad boy ready for the sous videing process. So we're cooking this in a water bath. It's a controlled temperature cooking method, and it essentially just creates more of a consistent cooking result. So we start off with this great beef. I've added a little bit of seasoning, added some rosemary and some garlic, whacking it into a bag. Feel free to add some oil or some butter here at this stage. And then we're gonna cook it. So what temperature and how long? Glad you asked, right? So we're going to be cooking this at 58 degrees for 3.5 hours. I think the extra 30 minutes is just to kind of add a little bit of security there, but 3 hours should suffice. All right, so whack it into your circulator, into your water bath. Once it's cooked after the 3 or 3.5 hour process, take it out of the bag, keep all of the juices, guys. That is maximum flavor there. You can make a sauce or beautiful gravy from that as well to accompany it with your beef. All right, so I'm just gonna lightly season this, some flake salt. Flake salt's my go-to seasoning salt. Add some cracked pepper over the top, keep the rosemary and the garlic, and then whack it straight over your hot rack. We're just using coconut shells and coals here, guys. A little bit of firewood in there too. Now, we're going for a quick sear. We want to make sure that we get this fantastic caramelization on the surface of this beef. All right, so if you're cooking at home in a pan, feel free to use some butter, but you don't want to cook it for a long period of time because you're going to find that you're going to dry the meat out and it defeats the purpose of cooking sous vide. All right, so make sure loads of flames there. Make sure that you're getting a nice sort of consistent, even cooking there. And guys, man, I love the way this cooks. I love this cooking method, this part here, because you're just imparting so much flavor here. You're getting the smokiness. Look at the flames. Oh my goodness, that's absolutely fantastic. All the flames are coming up now. We're caramelizing the beef, fantastic, in a beautiful, beautiful, succulent way. All right, and then once we're cooking the beef, then we're gonna pause, let it rest for a little bit, and then we're gonna take off the string. So removing the string, and then moment of truth. Let's check it out. Oh, boom, absolutely fantastic. Look at that, cooked evenly, beautiful ribeye, consistent pink color throughout the beef. Minimal gray rings as well. So that means the beef hasn't dried out too much, so it's kept all of that beautiful moisture in there. But look, beautiful pink color, medium rare, that's sat at about 59 degrees. Oh man, how good is that? Look at that fat content in there. That will just melt in your mouth. That carries a lot of flavor there too. How good is that ribeye, man? All right, mad love to MADANG Butchers. Litzy, love your work. Keep subscribing, guys. Peace out, mad love.